Alright, for this next cooking video, we're gonna have to go out into the elements, out into the wilderness of my backyard, and we're gonna actually have to get some snow because we're gonna be making some snow ice cream. So follow me. So a couple things you want to know or you want to do when you're looking for the right snow: check out the tracks. You don't want any snow where there's tracks, and you want to find a nice patchy fluffy spot where no one's walked or no animals walked, and that's where you want to get your snow. Very key important thing you want to do is avoid the yellow snow. Just trust me, it'll ruin the whole recipe. So you want to find nice fluffy white snow, looks clean, no one's walked in it, and you get a nice big scoop just like that. And we're just gonna get a couple nice easy scoops here, fill up a little bucket, and we'll call it good, and follow me back inside. Alright, along with the snow we have 3 ingredients. We have some stevia, sugar, we got some pure vanilla, and some heavy whipping cream right there. And so you're going to start with, you can use regular sugar if you want to be a little healthier, just use a little stevia. And it doesn't take much because this is really sweet, so you're just going to sprinkle just a little bit on top of there. And then you're going to take the vanilla, and not a ton, just maybe like 4, 5, 6, just a few little drops right on top. And then you're just going to drizzle a little of the heavy whipping cream to finish it off here. Doesn't take a ton, just nice and easy, drizzle it over the top. And then we're going to just take the spoon and mix it all together, along with that clean white puffy snow. And that is about it. We call it snow ice cream. It actually tastes really good. Nice easy way to make some homemade ice cream. And yeah, if you used to use the stevia, it's no sugar and even a little healthier too. So there you go. And money tastes good. Try it out.